In this video, we are going to demonstrate the Comments widget, supporting comments, SMS, marketing groups, and follow-ups. This widget can be used in the following: Enquiry Pipeline, Job Pipeline, Enquiry Record, Job Record. This CRM widget is available on both the desktop and mobile application. In this video, I will demonstrate the Comments widget through Enquiry Pipeline on the desktop and then show you how this looks on your mobile device. From the Enquiry Pipeline, you can access the comments by clicking on this icon. If you have an SMS account, you will see the SMS tab at the top. To learn more about using this feature in the Comments widget, including MMS for sending images, watch the SMS integration to Zoho CRM video. The Notes tab supports the following features: adding a comment, select and create templates, adding comments to your pipeline, creating next follow update, sharing comments to recipients, sharing comments to the portal, replying to comments, editing comments, deleting, using open comments, share images, adding marketing groups, canceling an inquiry. To add a new comment, enter your comment in the comment field. You can add a subject heading if required. Alternatively, you can use a template. Click on this button and select from this drop-down. Click Select, or you can create a new one. This quick note feature means the comment will be displayed on the pipeline, or you can click on this to turn that feature off. We will leave the quick note turned on. When Shader Portal is ticked, the comment becomes external. This means your customer will be able to view it directly in their portal. When you add a comment, and if the next follow update in the inquiry record was overdue, it will automatically default to today to fix overdue dates. You can change this date at the top to your preferred follow-up date, which will automatically trigger a new follow-up task and automatically close the existing one. This means you can report on how many follow-ups have been done. In Jobs, if you want to share your comments with a recipient, click on the People icon. You can link these recipients to email notifications or share them to the portal. Watch the video on portal comments for more information. Once completed, click on Save. Use the refresh icon to see your new comment on the left-hand side, including the date and time, and tag to show it was shared to the portal. It is highlighted green to show that this comment is currently selected. If you want to create another comment, use the Add New Comment button at the top. Now we will demonstrate replying to an existing comment. On the left, we can see that this comment is open, which means it's waiting for a reply or update. Click on this comment to see the information. Add a comment to reply. If you are the author of the main comment, you can edit it. You can also delete your own comments and replies. Once the open comment has been addressed, you can close it by ticking the Close Comment checkbox. Then click on Save. From the Enquiry Pipeline, you can see all your open comments at the top, and also if there are any open comment on the inquiry. Going back to an inquiry. When adding a comment, you can click the image icon to add images. Type in your comment, and if you want this comment displayed in the pipeline, you can leave Quick Note enabled, but in this instance, I will switch it off. Then click on Save. This will be displayed in the comment feed. If you are using the SMS feature, an open comment will automatically be displayed notifying you that an SMS has been received. Click on the SMS tab at the top to see all the SMS messages with the most recent one at the top. When you are adding comments, you can also add or remove your customers from marketing groups. Click on the Link Marketing Group button at the top. You can view the existing marketing groups for each contact linked to the inquiry by clicking on the information icon. From here, you can choose a new group and select which contacts to link. This is just one method available to manage marketing groups, but watch the marketing groups video to find out more. Finally, if you need to cancel an inquiry, click on the Cancel Inquiry checkbox and a reason pick list will appear. Select the correct option. You can add further details of cancellation in the comment field. Then save. Your inquiry will automatically disappear from the Enquiry Pipeline at 11:30 p.m. Using Workflow Rule EQ 2711, you can change the setting if you prefer to see your canceled inquiries for a period of time. Each comment added to your inquiry or jobs is automatically copied to the native Zoho notes. The Comments widget makes it quick and easy to add notes and action items in one simple interface.